Hey yo, Eddie, this your car here, yo. Damn, you see your car? Woo! Your car in the tree, boy. Damn. Time for you to get a new baby, though. No offense. Your car smashed up. This your house right here. Eddie, that's what it looks like back at home. Damn. Your backyard.